Your new life is going to cost you your old one. It's going to cost you your comfort zone and your sense of direction. It's going to cost you relationships and friends. It's going to cost you being liked and understood. It doesn't matter. The people who are meant for you are going to meet you on the other side. You're going to build a new comfort zone around the things that actually move you forward. Instead of being liked, you're going to be loved. Instead of being understood, you're going to be seen. All you're going to lose is what was built for a person you no longer are.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.
Hey y'all, so I am at this Walmart parking lot right now, and I'm trying to wait for the rain to lighten up some because I wore sandals. Why I wore sandals on a day like this? I should have worn me some rain boots. The whole outfit is just not giving what it's supposed to give today because it's wet and raining, and the storm supposed to be coming through. I don't know the name of the storm. I'll put it on the screen with whatever the storm is that's supposed to be coming through here. It's supposed to be flood warnings and all that. Are y'all sliding? Oh, like y'all was sliding. So yeah, so I'm trying to wait for the rain to slack up a little bit so I can make my run into this Walmart. Because I'm going to cook tonight, surprisingly. Well, I cooked the other day when I made those garlic bread. But I haven't cooked. Shoot. Sorry, y'all. I haven't cooked in a few days. So I'm getting ready to go in here because I cannot find my deep fryer. And I want to say the deep fryer that I had, I think I might have left it. And because of that, I'm going in to buy me a new one. Okay? If I can't find it by now, then it must be lost in the move. And sometimes, if you guys know, why do I keep slipping? And if you know anything about moving, sometimes stuff get lost by the wayside. And if you're trying to hurry up and move, sometimes just be like, you know what, forget it, I'll just get me a new one. And I think that's what happened in this case, because I cannot find any one of my deep fryers. And I had 2 deep fryers. Where they at now? I don't know. So I'm going in here to get me a deep fryer, and I'm going to fry my chicken. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm going to fry my chicken, but I'm going to fry it in the garage or in the back porch because I don't want that fried smell to be lingering around in my house. Not saying that I won't fry later, but let's see if I can sit y'all right here. All right, yeah, not saying that I won't ever fry in my house, but starting off, I don't want to start frying stuff too soon and get that cooked, that fry smell in your house that we love in the South so much. Ain't nothing like walking in the house and somebody frying chicken. Y'all know how we do. Y'all know we love the fried chicken down here in the South, baby. If you ain't frying chicken, then you ain't eating good. And we like to eat good around here, baby. It's rare that I keep cash, y'all. But I got cash for some reason. Ain't no for some reason. I know why I got cash, but I'm just saying. It's very rare that I keep cash. I need to switch out my wallet because I ain't even really got no wallet because I've been carrying my crossbody for the last week or two, and I ain't really had a chance to get into my regular wallet, which I might do that later on. So I've been just carrying this bag right here. Been carrying this bag with all my crossbody stuff in it. So I've had like my mini wallets like this that I've been carrying, but I need my big long wallet transfer in, and I ain't got that in here. So, and I'm brushing my hair like I ain't about to get wet. But I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm having a good day so far today. You guys, I was trying to debate and decide if I actually wanted to even put this on the vlog, but I was like, you know what? It's a part of life. It's a part of our journey. So, in the process of us relocating from one state to another state, it's been a slow journey. It's been a slow process, right? And during the transitioning or whatever, we actually had someone watching our fur baby, Lotto. And during the time of them dog sitting, Lotto was attacked. Lotto was attacked by some bigger dogs. And it hurts my heart to even talk about it, to even think about it, because y'all know Lotto was a part of our family for the last 3 years, 2 or 3 years now. But she was attacked and she didn't make it. And she didn't make it, and we couldn't get to her in time enough to get her to the vet. So just pray for us, you guys, that we get through this, especially my oldest, because the dog, you guys, and if you're not a fur owner, if you don't have pets, you might not understand what I'm saying right now, but most of the time, if you have like a family dog or a family pet, most of the time the dog kind of cleaves to one particular person in the family versus everybody else in the family. Not saying that the dog didn't love us, but it was just one that kind of, you know, they just got that special bond. They just kind of cling to a little bit more. Well, in this case, our dog kind of clinged to my oldest son a little bit more. So he's really taking it hard, you guys. He's really taking it very hard. So y'all just keep my son, both sons, in y'all prayers. Thank y'all for the well wishes on our move. I read all of you guys' comments on my last video. I thank you so much. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much in this part, because I really want to get in this Walmart and get out, but of course we'll talk later in the vlog. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick, that we lost our baby. It's so heartening. I'm not gonna talk about it no more because I feel like I'm gonna start crying. Anyway, let's go and get this deep fryer. anyone else like to pop these? Well, I know at least I do. So what I'm doing right now is just starting to purge, because I've realized that I have so many cooking utensils to the point where I have duplicates, triplets, quadruplets of stuff. So I'm not just putting up things that I'm going to use when I'm actually purging. If I have more than like 2 or 3 of them, I'm just going to get rid of them, give them to the Goodwill. If they're like really burnt out, if they're like just not usable anymore, I'm just going through everything and just getting rid of them. You know, it's a point where when you say downsize, that's what I mean, downsize. And this is where I'm just going through deciding what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of. And as of right now, I think I've done pretty good with downsizing and just kind of ciphering through what's going to be useful for me in the kitchen space. And that is even including my seasonings. For some reason, I cannot figure out for the life of me how I end up with 4 garlic powders, 6 parsley flakes, 4 things of salt, 3 things of lemon pepper, garlic powder, garlic salt, minced garlic, 4 things of lemon pepper. I'm like, oh my goodness, why do I have all this seasonings? 4 things of Old Bay. I'm like, you know what? Not today. We're going to get rid of all of this stuff that we don't need and keep what we're going to need or what we're going to use. And that's exactly what I've done. What I love about my new home, you guys, is I have much more counter space to actually play around with, to get really creative. I am not a maximalist, but I'm not a minimalist at all. I still love for my kitchen to feel homey. I still like for my kitchen to feel like, okay, when you come in the kitchen, you know how the saying is, the kitchen is where the heart is, or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, y'all get what I'm saying. But I just love for my kitchen to just look real homey and spacious. And I just love it, you guys. And I'm having to set my clock because you guys know we just lost power. Well, if you didn't know, we were affected just a tad bit by the storm. So we did lose power, and I'm just resetting the time. But anyways, this space right here, I'm able to really just play around with it and, and just make it our home. And I'm really loving it, and I'm just going to enjoy the space that we have. I absolutely love my new refrigerator, you guys. And when I say I love with a big L, a big O, a big V, and a big old E. I love our new refrigerator. It's like a really nice upgrade. And I love all the features that it comes with. And I'm really enjoying this space that we're creating to be our home. All right, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed hanging out with me for a few days and turning this house into our home and making this space our own. So if you have anything good to say, leave it in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video, and there will be another video. Hope you guys are going to enjoy this new home series. Love ya. Bye.